Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Holige is the main sweet dish for any festival in India. It is also called as Puran Poli. As you can see in this video, we are going to learn how to make holige easily using a pressure cooker. As a first step for this, I have taken half kg of maida, to which I am adding a pinch of turmeric and a pinch of salt and mixing them well. Then I am adding water and again mixing maida with water. Keep in mind, at this stage we are not going to add any oil, we are just mixing maida with water. After mixing, keep it aside for about 1 hour. Next, I am going to prepare stuffing for holige, for which I am taking 2 cups of tur dal. This cup measurement is called as pavu in Kannada and it measures around 250 grams of grains. So totally I have taken half kg of tur dal and washing them with water very well. The usual practice is to cook the tur dal in open vessels for hours, but to make it very easy, here I am using a pressure cooker. For 2 cups of dal, I have used 4 cups of water. Here I am using a pressure cooker with pressure indicator knob. I am adding a pinch of turmeric and some salt for taste. Then I am closing the lid and putting the weight and keeping it for cooking on the gas stove. By the time dal gets cooked, let us keep elaichi powder and ginger powder ready. So here I have taken 4 to 5 elaichi and crushing them using a stone. Now look at the pressure cooker. The pressure is being built up inside the cooker and knob is slowly raising. This is the point we have to be more vigilant, and exactly 1 minute after the knob is raised, we need to switch off the gas stove. So set the timer and wait for 60 seconds exactly and switch off the gas stove and let the cooker get cooled up. Slowly the pressure also will get decreased. Meanwhile, let's have a look at maida. It has been 1 hour from we have mixed it with water, and now we can add some oil and knead it thoroughly. So maida should be of this consistency only, otherwise it will be very hard to make holige. So make it as thin and flowing consistency as possible. After thorough kneading, the maida comes like this. Then you can smear a spoon of oil over the maida and keep it for resting again. Here I have taken a steel colander to strain the dal from water. So after the pressure is completely gone from the pressure cooker, I am going to open it and pour the dal into the colander and strain the water, excess water in this. You can just gently tap it and mix it with a spoon so that the water will get strained properly. Then I have transferred the dal into a kadai and adding jaggery. The quantity of jaggery depends on your taste. Here I have taken 300 grams of jaggery for 500 grams of dal. Mix them well and keep it on this gas stove with a medium flame and keep stirring it. As the jaggery gets melted, the consistency will be very thin, so do not panic. As you are going to heat up and keep stirring, the water is going to get evaporated and finally you are going to get the required consistency of stuffing. Just keep the flames in medium and keep stirring continuously. You can observe slowly the stuff is going to get thickened. Should never give up and keep on stirring it so that it will not get stick to the bottom of the vessel. And don't forget to keep the flames in medium or in low flame. So you can see it has got thickened slowly, and at this point we can switch off the gas stove and add the elaichi powder and the ginger powder. This ginger powder I got from shop directly. You can also take dry ginger and crush it into a powder. Then mix well. And let it cool for some time. After cooling, the consistency will be like this. After it is completely cooled, we can make small balls of stuffing and keep them all ready to make holige. So next here I have taken roller board and on which I am spreading a sheet. Then I have taken some maida and spreading it evenly. Then stuff the tur dal mixture and close it. Then gently press it to spread the stuff all around evenly. Then you can gently roll it with the roller pin to make it still bigger. Then keep the tawa for heating, add some oil and transfer the holige on the tawa. Then keep the flame in low to medium flame and cook them until they get cooked evenly. Once you feel the one side is cooked, you can flip it and cook the other side. So our holige are ready to eat now. Here you can observe I have prepared holige without grinding and without cooking the dal in open vessel for hours together. So this is the very easiest method of preparing holige. If you are a beginner, you are really going to like it. If you like our video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.